Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the transport service primitives which are there in the network. So transport service primitives is nothing but when you are said to be sending in information from one end to another end. I want to send a information, how it will be transported over the network and what is it to be necessary to get transmitted and how does it get transmitted. That is the most important thing. So we'll be discussing those concepts regarding that. So whenever the information is being transferred, remember these primitives are being considered as the important things. One is said to be your listen, connect, send, receive and disconnect. All these are the primitives which are said to be important to get communicated. So information is being sent one by one by one. If no problem is there, it will be sent. That is said to be like it listens when the network is said to be free. Okay, that is listen part. Okay, when it is said to be getting connected, once again it checks whether the network is free, it gets connected. Okay, it transfers the information, sends the information. Then the other end, it is said to be receiving the information. When the information is being received, it will send an acknowledgement. Afterwards, the information gets disconnected. That way it happens in the concept of service primitives. Okay, the protocols which are being important when the information is being transmitted is that your data, it should be error control should be there, no error should be there. When the information is being sent, it should be in order, and flow control should be there. Slowly it should move from one end to another end without too much data is being bulked on the network. That it is important when the information is being traveling. And the difference between various aspects of protocols, how it operates is, okay, here is the operation, how the information travels over the router travels the information from one end to another end, one router to another router, and you have a subnet in between. That subnet covers from one area to another area. Okay, one subnet gets connected to the another subnet through the help of a physical channel. It gets connected. Okay, and it travels the information through the physical connection. Okay, there are various differences between the data link layer and the transport layer. The Mainly the data link layer, each outgoing line uniquely it specifies a router. Here it is based on each destination, it will be given one address, whereas other end it is said to be always available in data link, whereas here the connection has to be established to get the information or send the information. Here flow control, fixed number of buffers are there, but here it is said to be dynamically the buffer changes. It gets once one more data, it gets less data once time. So here the buffer is not said to be fixed. Okay, these things, that is your addressing part, your connection establishment, everything that I'll be discussing in the next few sessions. But remember, these are the things which you will be learning. So in this aspect you will be learning about addressing, how information is being addressed, then addressing how it gets connected from one host to another host, and how it gets connected through the help of the IPs and all that we will be discussing in the next session. Okay, thank you.